Hello students, welcome to the class second subject maths. In previous video we have learned about addition of 3-digit numbers with carrying tens and ones. Now in this video we are going to know about the subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing tens and borrowing hundreds. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing tens and borrowing hundreds. Subtract 527 from 546. 527 from 546. Let's see. In ones place there is 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7. 7 will be not subtract from 6. 7 will be not subtracted from 6. So what we will do? See here. 6 minus 7 will be not subtract. Then what we will do? But 546 is equal to, in 100 place 500 plus 40 plus 6. 500 plus 40, 4 tens 40 plus 6. 6 will be not subtract from 7. So we will borrow from 4. Borrow from 4. 4 tens means 40. So we will borrow 1 10. 40. Take 10 from 40. So borrow 1 10 to make 16. 500. 40 minus 10. 30. 10 plus 6. 16. So borrow 1 10 to make 16. Borrow 1 10. Take 1 10 from 40. Borrow 1 10 to make 16. 1 10 to make 16. 500 plus 30 plus 16. So 6 minus 7 will be not subtract. So make here 16. Make 16. And 16 minus 7, 9. Here only 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. The 3 tens minus 2 tens is equal to 1. In 100 place 5 minus 5, 0. So 4 tens and 6 1 as 3 tens and 16 ones. 4 tens and 6 ones as 3 tens and 16 ones. After borrowing 1 10, there will be only left 3 tens. And here make 16. 16 minus 7, 9. 3 tens minus 2 tens, 1 tens. So 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. Left 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Next, 4 minus 9. 9 will be not subtract from 4. Then borrow 1 10 from 5. Borrow 1 10 from 5. So what will here make here? 14. 14 minus 9, 5. 14 minus 9, 5. What will left here? 4. 4 tens. 4 minus 2, 2. In 100 place 1 minus 1. 1 minus, no number is there. So write here 1. 154 minus 29 is equal to 125. In ones place 3, in ones place 6. Subtract 6 from 3. It will be not subtracted. So what will we do? We will borrow 1 10 from 5. 1 10 from 5 tens. So 1 10 means 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 6, 7. 13 minus 6, 7. What will left here? 4. 4 tens minus 3 tens, 1 tens. In 100 place 2 minus 0, 2. In ones place 2, in ones place 5. Subtract 5 from 2. Will be not subtracted. So what will we do? We will borrow 1 10 from 8 tens. So 10 plus 2, 12. 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Left 7. 7 minus 4, 3. 5 minus 0, 5. In ones place 0, in ones place 8. Subtract 8 from 0. So what we will do? We will borrow 110 from 7. 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 minus 8, 2. Left 6 tens. 6 tens minus 3 tens, 3 tens. In 100 place 6 minus 2, 4. Next, in ones place 5, in ones place 7. 5 minus 7, no. So what we will do? We will borrow 110 from 8 to make 15. 15 minus 7, 8. Left 7 tens. 7 tens minus 6 tens, 1 tens. In 100 place 7 minus 5, 2. 0 minus 5, borrow 110. 10 minus 5, 5. Left 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 9, borrow 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 minus 9, 9. Left 6. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. 6 minus 8, borrow 110. 16. 16 minus 8, 8. Left 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. 2 minus 6, borrow 110. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 6, 6. Left 8. 8 minus 4, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. 4 minus 8, borrow 110. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 minus 8, 6. Left 4 tens. 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. Some more subtracted. 2 minus 3. Then borrow 110. 10 plus 2, 12 minus 3, 9. Left 7. 7 minus 6, 1. 6 minus 0, 6. 1 minus 2. Borrow 1, 10. To make 11. 11 minus 2, 9. Left 8. 8 minus 7, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 6, borrow 110. Plus 3, 13 minus 6, 7. Left 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 5 minus 8, borrow 110 to make 15 minus 8, 7. Left 6. 6 minus 6, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. In ones place 8. 8 minus 9, borrow 110 to make 18. 18 minus 9, 9. Left 8. 8 minus 8, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 0 minus 9, borrow 110. 10 minus 9, 1. Left 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 4, not subtracted. So what we will do? We will borrow 110 to make 12. 12 minus 4, 8. Left 3 tens. 3 tens minus 2 tens, 1 tens. 8 minus 0, 8. 3 minus 4, take borrow 1 10 to make 13. 13 minus 4, 9. Left 5. 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. 0 minus 1, take 110, borrow 110 to make 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Left 5. 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 8, borrow 110 to make 14. 14 minus 8, 6. Left 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. So students, this is the way of doing subtraction of borrowing tens. Next, subtraction of borrowing 100. Subtraction of 3-digit number by borrowing 100. Subtract 342 from 806. In ones place 6 minus 2, 4. In tens place 0 minus 4. Will be not subtract. Then what we will do? We will borrow 100 from 100 to make 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 10 minus 4, 6, left 700. 700 minus 300, 400. 6 minus 2, 4. In 10, 0 minus 4 will be not subtract. But 806 is equal to 800 plus 0 plus 6. 700 plus 100. If borrow 100 to make 10 tens. 100 to make 10 tens. 10 tens means 100. Take 10 tens to make 100 plus 6. 700 plus 10 tens plus 6. Borrow 100 to make 10 tens. 6 minus 2, 4, 0. From 100, we will borrow 10 tens. 10 tens. 10 minus 4, 6. 10 tens minus 4 tens, 6 tens. Left 700. 700 minus 300, 400. So 806 minus 342 is equal to 464. Next, in ones place 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 7 will be not subtract. So what we will do? We will borrow 10 tens. 10 tens means 100. 10 tens. 10 tens means 100. So 10 plus 6, 16. 10 tens plus 6 tens is equal to 16 tens. 16 tens minus 7 tens is equal to 9. Left 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 5 will not subtract. So what we will do? We will borrow 10 tens. 10 tens plus 1 tens is equal to 11 tens. 11 tens minus 5 tens is equal to 6 tens. Left 0. In ones place 4 minus 2, 2. In tens place 0 minus 6. 0 tens minus 6 tens will be not subtract. So what we will do? We will borrow 10 tens. 10 tens plus 0 tens is equal to 10 tens. 10 minus 6, 4. Left 4. 0. In ones place 8 minus 1, 7. In tens place 2 tens minus 3 tens will not subtract. So borrow 10 tens. 10 tens plus 2 tens, 12 tens. 12 minus 3, 9. Left 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 4 minus 5, borrow 10 tens. 10 tens plus 4 tens, 14. 14 minus 5, 9. Left 6 minus 2, 4. Next, 6 minus 6, 0. 7 minus 8, borrow 10 tens. 10 plus 7, 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8, 9. Left 7. 7 minus 7, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 5, borrow 10 tens. 10 plus 3, 13 tens minus 5 tens, 8 tens. 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 0, 2. 8 minus 9 will not subtract. So what we will do? We will borrow 10 tens. 10 tens. 10 plus 8, 18 minus 9, 9. 3 minus 1, 2. 6 minus 5, 1. 6 minus 7 will not subtract. Borrow 10 tens. 10 plus 6, 16 minus 7, 9. 1 minus 1, 0. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 8 will not subtract. Borrow 10 tens. 10 plus 3, 13 minus 8, 5. Left 4. 4 minus 2, 2. So this is the way of doing subtraction with borrowing hundreds. So students, you have learned about subtraction with borrowing tens and hundreds. So students, repeat it again and write it in your copy. Thank you class.